Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Wednesday, 6th of May. So we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Right. So you can see that price has been appreciating, especially since last night itself, as the US posted a widening trade deficit. That's more than forecast. So the US dollar actually depreciates. That causes the price to appreciate for the euro against the US dollar. And right now, price is about to hit the previous high at the price of 1.1281. Fibonacci expansion was 1.8%. So as it touches this level, we would like to look for a short opportunity, as we do know that eventually the euro will still weaken against the US dollar, or the Federal Reserve is looking at when to raise interest rates. Alright, so that's pretty straightforward. Just wait for price to reach the level and wait for a short opportunity. Well, with this, it also forms a double top, so that could be additional reason for us to go for short. So that's for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. This morning itself, price actually fell because the New Zealand posted a disappointing data for the employment. So price actually fell. Both employment change and the unemployment rate was well below the forecasts, and then it actually broke below the support level at 0.7493, and we are expecting price to fall even further from here. So right now, as you zoom in the smaller time frame, we are seeing the price is actually making retracements. In this case, there is actually um, a very small scale inverse head and shoulder right here in the 15-minute chart, and it has already broken the neckline. So we are probably expecting price to appreciate a little bit further to the price of 0.7506. That could be the level that we can look for the short opportunity as it retraces after a very big fall right here. Alright, so just waiting for price to retrace it a little bit further before we go for shorts. Of course, the first level we shall take a look at is at the price of 0.7421 if we happen to go for the short opportunity here. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. Right, so back to the 4-hourly chart. Again, we're seeing that price is appreciating amid a disappointing data from the US trade balance itself, and right now it's still appreciating. So with this, we might want to take a look at the 1-hourly chart and plot Fibonacci retracement. Alright, price is currently reaching the retracement level of 3.2%, price of 1.5244, and subsequently it will touch the resistance level at the price of 1.5262. So we may want to take note of this region itself. Besides that, we might be able to expect price to appreciate a little bit further, a little bit higher than the resistance level right here, based on the formation itself. So probably somewhere close to the retracement level of 50%, then we might want to look for a short opportunity. So just take note of this level. And if we were to go for the shorts, then the first support level we would like to look at is actually at the previous row right here, and subsequently at the 200 moving average. So that's for the pound against US dollar. Next, with the Aussie against US dollar. Alright, as you can see that price has appreciated, so mainly due to the disappointing data from the US trade balance. That could have probably helped. As the US dollar weakens, that actually helps the commodity prices to gain a little bit as well, and that will also cause Aussie to appreciate. Therefore, the appreciation right here is pretty significant in a way. But however, right here we are actually expecting price to fall further eventually. Alright, so with this south, we are actually looking at something right here. Right, so if we take a look at this formation, price is about to hit the upper trend line very soon, probably about 20 to 30 pips away, and from there we might want to look for a short opportunity all the way back down to the lower band, the trend line at the lower band itself, and subsequently much lower from there. Alright, so just wait for a further retracement before you go for the short opportunity. So that's pretty much for the Aussie against US dollar. And just take note that yesterday itself, the Reserve Bank of Australia has already cut interest rates. So fundamentally, we should be seeing that Aussie will depreciate further against US dollar. Alright, so next we have the dollar against Japanese yen. Especially the price has fell as well due to the disappointing data from trade balance, US trade balance. And right now we're seeing the price has touched the previous falling trend channel that has broken above, and sitting on the 200 moving average as well. So this could be the correct level to go for the long opportunity. We can see a very strong pullback right here. In about 10 minutes time, this candlestick will close in the 15-minute charts. So if it pulls back perfectly, and this could signals for a long opportunity, I would say so. So that's pretty much for the dollar against Japanese yen. Of course, we'll be expecting price to appreciate further. So that's for the dollar against Japanese yen. And next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So if you look at the 4-hourly chart itself, there was actually a falling trend channel. But however, right here we are seeing the price is already breaking below the bottom of the falling trend channel. So expect the price to fall a bit further to the next key support level at the price of 0.9168. People has mentioned 161.8%. So that would be the level to go for a long opportunity, as we are still expecting price, or rather the US dollar, to resume strengthening. Right, probably we might want to do something else right here. Let's try this. Right, so if you look at this, if you look at the bigger picture, and if we take this as a probable falling trend channel, then it's the level, the support level right here at 0.9168 is also at the bottom of a probable falling trend channel in the bigger picture itself. So this could be the key level to go for a long opportunity as well. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And with that, I've come to the end of my trading analysis video today. So thank you for watching, and good luck.